Royals versus Quezon National High School or the Quezon Elite and the under 18 division. Started the first quarter. First crack at the basket will be the Royals. And still there by Quezon Elite. And out of bounds. Your Royals ball.
The Warriors go. Property management, Marlboro.
And there's a foul.
Foul jersey number 24. Personal Esteves.
Esteves.
First foul, Warriors.
Rebound there by number 24. Nathan Esteves passes to number 11, Matanona. And there's a foul on Quezon Elite.
Foul jersey number 6. First foul, Papa. First foul for Quezon National High School.
At the line, number 2, Rain Cornelius. And first free throw is good for Rain Cornelius. And 2 free throws in for Rain Cornelius. And another putback there by number 4, Hapor. And cleans up by number 6, Jimboy Cambal. And brings down the number 1, Kaizayu Flores. Pass to number 12, Gabe Cab. Back to Aiden Matanona. Matanona gets. That's the 3. Quick basket there by number 9. And Nobal. And rebound here by number 6. Jimboy Cambal passes to number 9, Enobal. Enobal, hounded by number 12, Calvo. And passes to number 33. And gets it to go. Number 33. Score is 9-5 in favor of QNHS. And that's good for Aiden Matanona. Again, 3 points by number 33 to no avail. And Ray Cornelius for 2.
2 points, jersey number 2.
That's it to go and ties the ball game with 9 all. Hapor. Screen by Kambal. All the way Hapor, and rebound again by Kambal. And still here by number 12, Gabe Calvo. And
2 points, jersey number 12.
Gabe Calvo gives the lead for the Royals, 11-9, with 5 minutes and 10 seconds left in the first quarter. And quick reply there by number 6, Jimboy Kambal. Kai Flores,
10 seconds on the shot clock.
handed by number 33, Pontivida. And
Substitution.
turnover for the Royals. Score is 13-11. 2-point lead for Quezon. Saved there by Hapor to Abarquez. Abarquez passes to number 7, Menes. Menes missed that one. Score is 13-11 with 3 minutes and 50 seconds left in the first quarter. Kai Flores ties the game. 13 all. 3 minutes and 20 seconds in the first quarter. Tarurukan. And there's a foul.
Substitution. Foul jersey number 1. First foul, Flores.
Foul on Kai Flores. And 40-second shot clock on Quezon.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Abarquez for 3, and that's good for Ron Abarquez. Score now is 16-13. 3-point lead for Quezon, and still, and loses the ball. Gahe to
10 seconds on the shot clock.
Kai Flores to Anderson. Anderson for 3.
Jersey number 14.
That's good for Mateo Anderson. Also ties the ball game with 16 all. Abarquez to Menes to Karurukan. Karurukan to Abarquez for 3, and short. Matanona, Aiden rushing down the court. Aiden Matanona loses the ball and turns it over.
Black ball.
Turns into Quezon ball. With 1 minute and 50 seconds left in the first quarter, we're all tied up with 16 points. Abarquez another 3, short, and rebound by number 8.
Points. Rudy.
That's Keith Riodique. Rebounded 2 points. Kai Flores on the middle. Passes to Aiden. Aiden Natanona. And ball retains possession to the Royals with 6 seconds left in their shot clock.
6 seconds on the shot clock. 6 seconds to shoot.
Cross court to Kai Flores. To Gahe. Gahe short on that one. Rebound by Riodique. And an injury timeout here.
Referee step. seconds.
Still there by Jimenez to Karurukan. Karurukan.
2 points, Cameroon.
Was Kagaruan. 20 seconds left in the first quarter. Rain Cornelius sidestepping and blocked by Hapor to Menes. Breakaway layup, and that's
10
good.
seconds. 2 points, jersey number 7.
Dwayne Menes. And another steal by Quezon. Ron Labarquez for 3. And
And in the first quarter, we see the score 22-16 in favor of Quezon National High School.
And that's it for the first quarter. The score is 22-16. 6-point lead by the Quezon. And the start of the second quarter, it's Quezon ball. Barquez to Reudique and tipped there by Cruz. And counter steal and out of bounds. The ball will go to the Royals.
Single.
Kai Flores. Rising up the middle. No good. And Guy fights for the ball. And Karurukan. Karurukan all the way. And scores for 2 points.
Number 26.
That's Noah Karurukan. And Guy Flores fumbles on wall. And that's an 8-second backcourt violation there by Kai Flores. With 9 minutes and 5 seconds left, the second quarter. Marquez and still here by Esteves. Esteves left on layup. No. Rebound by Reudique. Passes to Dwayne Menes. Dwayne Menes pass pick and no. Another rebound by Menes and put back by Dwayne Jimenez. Dwayne Menes, sorry. And out of bounds.
Substitution, brother.
It's Quezon ball.
Following jersey number 1. First foul, jersey number 1.
There's
First thing back for Quezon
there's a foul. There's a foul on number 1, Julian Lustria. Esteves on the ball. Passes to Gahe. Gahe fakes and overcooks that one. Rebound by Abarquez to Noah Karurukan. Dwayne Menes. Again to Noah Karurukan. Loses the ball. And Kai Flores on the rebound. Esteves to Calvo. Esteves and Esteves
2 points, jersey number 24.
converts the layup. And quick pass to Noah Karurukan. And Karurukan quickly finishes that 2
2
points.
points, jersey number 26.
Score is 28-18 with 7 minutes and 5 seconds left in the second quarter. And Menes is fouled. And another injury timeout here.
Jersey number 12.
Back to the ball game. And there's a traveling call on number
This is Robert Morocco.
3, Caleb Benavente. It's Quezon ball. Score is 30-18 with 6 minutes and 30 seconds left in the second quarter. Still here, nope. And there's a foul.
Kickball, white ball.
Oh, rather than kickball, Royals ball. Bisa mo. Aiden Matanona to Benavente steals and gets fouled by number 25.
Foul on jersey number 21. Substitution.
Jersey
First foul of Aguilar. Second team foul from Quezon National High School.
foul on number 25, AK Aguila, and 2 free throws here for Caleb Benavente. Yeah, first free throw is missed. The second try is in and out of the rim. And Aquila to Rustria. And there's the 3-second
3
range.
seconds.
It's Royals ball.
Substitution.
And
Same ball.
stopped there by Chiboy Kambal. Aiden Matanona in the middle. Passes to Calvo. To Benavente.
10 seconds on the shot.
To Calvo. Again. Takes the 3. And there's a
Offensive foul on jersey number 10.
offensive foul on the Royals.
Salas. First foul on Salas. Second team foul for Royals.
Kambal on the power rebound.
2 points combined.
2 points there for Kambal. And a full court pressure here by the Quezon. Benjola to number 2,
2 points for the
Josh Mendola.
Timeout, Royals. Remaining time for the second quarter, 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Official score, 34-80, favor of Quezon National High School.
And there's a timeout here by the Royals, and score is 34-18. And time remaining is 4 minutes and 9 seconds of the second quarter. Matanona for 3. No. Rebound here by Kambal. Pass to number 24, Hapor. Hapor passer. Powers his way. Gets the 2 points. Calvo. To Matanona. To number 5. Taimanglo.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
And Calvo and is fouled and will go to the free throw.
Foul on jersey number 6, second foul on Kambal, 13 foul for Quezon National High School.
Shooting 2 is Gabe Calvo. Second free throw also missed. Josh Menjola on the ball. to Kambal. Short jump shot. And tipped out by Hapor on the ball. Corner. Passes to number 4. Benjola. And
2 points, Benjamina.
for Clarence Benjola. Ray Cornelius and gets fouled and shoots for 2.
Substitution. First foul, yellow foul. Warning for the penalty. Casanova High School.
First free throw of Ray Cornelius does not go in for his second try. And short on the second free throw. Josh Mendola on the ball, passes to Rustria. Rustria short. Rebound by number 4, Mendola to Hapor. Hapor made a jump shot. Does not go in. Rebound by Gabe Calvo. Gabe Calvo to Ray Cornelius. Ray Cornelius. And Josh Mendola heaves it. And Calvo
Substitution.
goes out of bounds. And we'll go back to the Quezon Elite with 40-second shot clock.
14 seconds on the shot.
What a play
2 points,
by
number 14.
an earlier play by Hapor to Benjola. Score now is 40-18. A commanding 22-point lead by the Quezon Elite. Time remaining 1 minute and 14 seconds left in the second quarter. Menjola and out of bounds. Same ball. Session goes again to
1 minute to play.
Quezon Elite. 40 second shots on their shot clock.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Menjola fakes and passes to Rustria. Rustria gets it.
2 points, jersey number 1.
Aiden Montanona. Aiden Montanona. Scoop shot. Does not go in. Rebound. Oh. To Taimaglo. Taimaglo, no. Rebound by Rustria. Menjola to Hapor. Hapor fakes and gets it closer and gets fouled.
For jersey number 11. First foul, number 11. 13 foul. For Rebels.
And 2 shots for number 24, Miel Hapor. And first free throw goes in for Miel Hapor. And the second try gets it to go for the second one. 2 of 2 for
Shot result. 20 seconds.
Miel Hapor. Score is 44-18 with 17 seconds left in the second quarter. Ray Cornelius on the middle.
10 seconds.
This is the game clock. And corner.
5 seconds.
Nae to Benavente. Benavente for 3. It's low.
And on the first foul, official score 44-18.
And,
Favor of Quezon National High School.
and that's it for the second quarter. Score is 44-18. Big lead by the Quezon Elite. And we'll be back with the third quarter. Start of the third quarter. It's Royals ball. Calvo to Kai Flores, signaling the play. Ray Cornelius on the corner. And
2 points.
Gabe Calvo sneaks in for 2 points.
Mag-comment O, sabi ni Coach Tino.
Ten to shoot. 5 seconds. And there's a foul on jersey number 1. Flores. Second personal foul. First team foul for Royals. Foul on jersey number 25. Second personal foul. First team foul, substitution. Turnover. Two points. Foul committed by jersey number 11. That is second personal. Second team foul for Royals. Two points.
Substitution. Third substitution. And foul number 9. Then second personal. Second team foul. Same ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 to shoot.
Rebound by Diduyo, passes to Abarquez. Abarquez loses the ball. Calvo gets it. Calvo passes to Rain Cornelius. Cornelius drives and gets it to go. Plus a foul.
And a foul on jersey number 9. Zaga. That's a National High School. Third personal foul on jersey number 9. Third team foul for Quezon National High School.
There's a timeout here by the Quezon Elite. And here's a bonus free throw for Rain Cornelius. The free throw is missed by Cornelius.
Same ball. 12 seconds shot clock.
They retain possession with 12 seconds on the shot clock. Matanona for 3. And rebound by Kai Flores and missed that shot. Another crack at the basket by Flores.
2 points.
2 points for Enobal. Flores on the ball. Passes to Calvo. Missed that shot. And counter steal by Mantanona. To Rain Cornelius out the corner. And there's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 12.
Foul on Gabe Calvo.
Second personal foul.
Rebound by Cambal. Passes to number 9, Inobal. Again, rebound by
2 points.
Jimboy Cambal. Cornelius. Passes to Kai Flores at the corner. Kai Flores for 3. And
And now substitution.
over the backboard. With 3 minutes and 22 seconds left in the third quarter. It's Quezon Elite ball. And that's a 3 point. 3 points for Kai Flores.
2 points.
2 points there by Hapor. And foul in the basket
That's the foul on jersey number
for Jimboy Cambal.
2. Substitution. First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Menjola for 3. And there's a foul on Quezon Elite.
Foul number 7. First personal foul. 14th foul. Warning for penalty.
Foul on number 7, Dwayne Jimenez. Apor passes to Kambal. Back to Apor. And steal by number 23, Esteves. Togahe. Mendola passes to Enobal, Menes rather. And Calvo spins in the middle and missed that layup. Mendola passes to Menes at the elbow. Mendola passes in the middle, anticipated by Gahe.
1 minute.
Benavente, blocked by Jimboy.
2 points.
And gets another rebound and scores 2 points. Score is 53-35 with 40 seconds left in the third quarter. And there's a foul.
There's a foul on jersey number 12. Penalty.
And over the limit is the
First
Royals.
personal foul. For a penalty.
And shooting 2 is Miel Hapor.
Substitution.
Out of bounds, same ball.
And that's the same ball with 18 on the shot clock.
Warriors ball with 18 seconds shot clock. Flores on the corner 3, and that's good for Kyle Flores. And counter attack, and there's a foul.
Foul number 15.
Shooting 2 again. Miel Hapor fouled by number 15.
And his first. Still on penalty.
Jacob Gahe. And Miel Hapor switches the first one. And miss out the second one. And still, Mendola passes to Menes. Menes with 2 points. Scores
5 seconds.
5 seconds left in the third quarter. Benavente passes to Kyle Flores and corner 3.
And the third. Official score 56-38.
And that's it for the third quarter. Score is 56-38. Quezon Elite leading the ball game. And we're back with the fourth and final quarter. Last quarter, Quezon Elite ball. Enobal passes to number 33. Nobal to Abarquez. To Karurukan.
2
And
points.
that's number 36, Noah Karurukan. And the steal by number 23, counters 3 by Kai Flores. Kai Flores, sidestepping move. And that's not
2 points.
another rebound by Benavente. Scores 2 points. Marquez passes to number 9, Enobal. to Karurukan. Powers is moved, and that is a foul.
There's a foul on jersey number 15. And second personal. Substitution.
2 shots for Noah Karurukan. And first free throw is no good for Noah Karurukan. And second free throw is good for Noah Karurukan. Score now is 59-40.
See ball.
And out of bounds. This will remain on the Royals with 24-second shot clock. Benavente to Kai Flores. Kai Flores in the middle. What a
2
move.
points.
Twisting layup there by Kai Flores. Still goes in to Abarquez for 3. And that's no good. Kai Flores for the rebound. For Flores to
2 points.
great pass to number 23, Nolan Flores.
2 points.
And 2 points there by Inobal.
And the foul on jersey number 27. Substitution. First personal foul, number 27. First team foul for Quezon National High School.
It's Quezon lead ball with 7 minutes and 35 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Abarquez. Pass tipped by Gahe, and ball remains.
Ball 14 on the shot clock.
Ball remains to Quezon lead with 14 seconds on the shot clock. To Kambal, passes to Inobal. Corner, Abarquez, and
2
scoop.
points.
Scoop layups good for Ron Abarquez. Jacob Gahe, steal by Inobal.
And a foul on number 15.
That's a foul on Ethan Gahe
And his third personal.
rather than Jacob Gahe.
Second team foul for Royals. Substitution.
Score is 63-44 with 6 minutes and 40 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Kambal passes
2
into
points.
Hapor. Or rather than that's Sangahin. Kim Sangahin for 2 points.
Foul committed by jersey number 6. Substitution. Third personal foul on number 6. Second team foul for Quezon National High School. Substitution.
And shooting 2 is Nathan Esteves. And first free throw is strong for Nathan Esteves. And second free throw is still no good for Esteves. Menes brings down the ball. Kambal. And the rebound goes out.
And around substitution.
We'll go back to the Royals. with 5 minutes and 50 seconds left in the fourth and final quarter. Mantanona missed that 3 points. Menes rushing and loses the ball. Passes to Aquila and
2 points.
still gets the ball. Aquila for 2 points. And
Substitution.
out of bounds and Quezon ball. Score is 67-44. 5 minutes and 10 seconds left in the fourth quarter.
It's a rolling. Turnover.
There's a turnover, traveling call against Dwayne Menes. Pass break run for Josh Menjola. Rebound by AK
2
Aquila.
points.
Rain Cornelius.
Foul jersey number 2. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
This time Malo on the ball and steal by Kambal and passes to
2 points.
Dwayne Menes. Wayne Cornelius missed that one. And counter steal by Aiden Mantanona. Mantanona passes to the corner, Kai Flores. And gets it again. Aiden Mantanona to Cruz.
And the shoot.
Cruz passes to Flores. And Flores
2 points.
scores 2 points. Score is 71-46 in favor of Quezon Elite. Aquila to Lustria. Cruz to Flores to Cornelius. And there's a
Team
foul.
foul number 1. Substitution. Fourteen on the shot clock.
Cornelius over 3. And rebound by Taimaglo. And there's a foul.
And there's a foul on number 24. Penalty.
Miel Hapor foul.
First
Since
personal foul, penalty. Substitution.
Quezon Elite is in the penalty, so number 5, Benny Taimaglo will shoot 2 free throws. And scores 1 on the first free throw. And scores the second free throw. Kaya hindi ko nakuha. Dito pa kasi yung bola eh. Hindi, nandito pa yung bola eh. Nagkukunan ko ba dito yung bola? Wala kasi ulit yan. Hey, Taimaglo! Another one.
That's 2 minutes.
And got the last 2 minutes of the ball game. And Benjola Then De
2
Duyo
points.
for 2 points. That's Eden De Duyo. Cruz. No. Time Maglo, time Maglo. Yan. Hey!
2 points.
One more. Woo! Caught on camera. And 2 points
2
there
points.
by Benjola. And Hapor, the score is 75-50 with 45 seconds left in the ball game. Sorry miss there by Benitay Maglo. What a move there by Eden De Duyo. Salas.
10 seconds. And Natasha. National High School wins the game.
And the final score is 77-50 and the winner is Quezon Elite by 22 points.